everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you a full face of Arbonne makeup. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I talk about how I am slowly switching out my regular makeup for something that's all natural and good for you and good for your skin. Arbonne, I have used for many years. I haven't used it as a full face of makeup in a while, but I've recently been on this journey of switching out things that I eat, switching out things that I put on my skin and my face for things that are natural. And even if you go to Sephora or look at other brands, they can't always guarantee, even though it says clean, that it's 100% clean. The great thing with Arbonne is it is guaranteed. It's good for you, it's all natural, it's vegan, and you don't have to worry about any sneaky little gunky stuff hiding in your makeup. For the most part, everything that I have is from Arbonne, and the only thing that I'm really missing is eyeliner. Well, and I don't have lip liner, but I never really wear lip liner. Or I also don't have eyebrow stuff. I did actually have an eyebrow pencil that I really liked, but somehow it has been misplaced. So let's get right into it. Okay, taking everything out of my face, we are going to start with the Arbonne Makeup Primer. Now, I did moisturize a couple hours ago, maybe an hour ago. My skin is still a bit tacky, but this is a beautiful makeup primer. It's like a natural version of the Smashbox one, so it looks like that, and it's all silicone. Anyways, I like to do this and just kind of pat it and rub it into the areas where I get the most lines or pores that need to be filled. And it feels like it's silicone, but obviously it's all natural, and it works so good. So I just like concentrated on the areas that I need help most with, and then I just kind of spread it out the excess. For foundation, I, as of like a year ago, kind of stopped wearing real traditional foundation. Also, sorry if you can hear Andrew in the other room. This is during the day. He's working from home, obviously, so just gonna have to like, anyways. I stopped using like a full foundation and have switched over to a tinted moisturizer, even though I have acne, scarring, and lines and things like that. To me, I've just moved away from that full face, that cakey makeup, full coverage, and I like something more natural. This is the Arbonne Intelligence CC Cream, and it's pollution defense, and it also has SPF 30 in it. I have the shade Light, and it comes in a squeezy tube like this. I really like this Roden & Fields brush, and I just kind of dot it, like swirl it, dot it all over the brush, like that. And you actually don't need that much. This is probably too much. And you just rub it in. I do have a bit of a tan right now. I don't know if it's picking up. So it's a little bit light, but I would rather it be light and build it to being darker than too dark. I love this stuff. I know in this light, it actually looks really pale, but in real life, it's like a great shade match for me. And I don't know, it feels like I'm just wearing moisturizer. And obviously it has coverage to it, not full coverage, but enough that I feel comfortable. And yeah, I really like this. Now, I don't have any setting powder, so I just like to quickly set with a little bit of this Hourglass Radiant Ambient Lighting Powder, just because CC cream tends to have a little bit of a slip to it. While I'm kind of waiting for that to like settle in, I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera. I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio and a little bit of the Gimme Brow from Benefit. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Eyebrows are on. I look a little crazy, but we are going to go into some bronzer. This is my absolute favorite bronzer, hands down, not even because it's vegan or an all natural. This is such a beautiful golden bronzy shade. And I've actually been taking this little stippling brush by e.l.f. just kind of like going in and like doing a little like, you know, little zhuzh there. Bring it up. It's more concentrated. And then I just take this fluffy brush and kind of blend it all out and add some more. It's such a beautiful bronzer. Feels kind of like the NARS Laguna, but better in my opinion. And for some blush, I have this beautiful Arbonne blush in Blossom. It's kind of got a gold shimmer. It looks darker than it is. It's very nude, almost a little bit orangey, and very pigmented. So I definitely put a little bit too much. And then I like to bring it over my nose and like close to my eyes. Yeah, too much blush of it. Blend that all together. Such a nice blush, especially for summer. Now for the eyes. This is a new limited edition palette called Cherry Blossom. It's all in the eyes eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful. And this first shade here, Sakura, I don't know how to say it. It's like iridescent. So it looks white, but it's got like a pinky hue to it. Do you see that? It's really pretty. But I absolutely love this one called Hana or Hannah. I'm so bad at doing that. It's so nice and natural. Then there's this beautiful Blossom shade, which is a great transition or in the crease. So I'm just gonna take this big fluffy brush and go into Blossom and come up close. I'm gonna put that in the crease. In general, I like more natural makeup, so I'm not gonna go in and use 5 different colors, especially for an everyday look. I'm just gonna use like very basic. So if you're like me, you like natural, or you're a beginner, this is really easy, and this is what I do pretty much every day. And a little goes a long way. Like, I gotta keep still blending this out, and there's still more color coming out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take my finger into Hannah or Hana, and I'm going to just put that all over my lid. It's so pretty. Really nice and natural. Now, if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of this Harmony in there. You could even, maybe I'll just do like a little bit of Sakura on like the inner corner. Ooh, it's very pink. Much pink, more pink than I expected it to be, but it's pretty nice. nice and natural, just the way that I like it. I like it just to be like enhancing, not, I don't want people to look at me and be like, whoa, she's got a lot of eyeshadow on. I am going to do a little bit of eyeliner with this Wet n Wild waterproof liquid eyeliner. It's called Breakup Proof, and this is a great eyeliner, $5, but I'm most likely going to be purchasing an Arbonne eyeliner, get rid of all my gucky stuff, so it is really good. Okay, eyeliner is done. It is not my best work. I haven't been doing eyeliner a ton during quarantine. It's been kind of crazy, but anyways, we'll forget about that. For highlighter, I'm gonna use Starlight Glow Palette, and I'm gonna do a little bit of contour on my nose with Meteor, and I really like Stardust. I have this Morphe Y14, this is my favorite. I'm gonna go into Stardust. It's a little bit dusty. How pretty is that? And I like it because it's subtle, it's got that wet look, and it doesn't have the sparkle look. I'm not really into like sparkly. Whoa, that is beautiful. On my nose. Now for the mascara. This is by far, hands down, the best mascara. This is new, and especially it's new to me. This is the Arbonne Speak Volumes Mascara. I love this wand. I love how it's tapered kind of like a tree, and I think it works really nice to like really get in there. So let me show you close up. That is, now it's kind of hard to see with my eyeliner in the way, but that is one coat of mascara. Love it. It's volumizing, it's lengthening, it's natural. It is great. And for lips, I will be giving this to my mom because it's not really my color, but it is pretty. I'm just gonna do like a little dab of this color in Lily. It is kind of goldy, kind of peachy. Okay, I like it like that. Okay, maybe I take that back. That's really pretty. Okay, maybe I'll keep that. Sorry, Mom. So this is the final look. Very summery. I think it's dewy, it's glowy, it's kind of gold, natural. I love these products. I will have them all listed down below if you are interested. I hope that you enjoy this video. One last thing is, no, I'm not a consultant, but I do have a way that you can order these products if you would like it. I'm a preferred customer, which means I get 20% off. If you are a consultant, you get 30. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these products that I've listed down below, just reach out to me and we can get you some. Yeah, so thank you again for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you again for another video. Bye.